Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to install, set up and use Google Sitekit on your WordPress website. Step by step for 2025. Let's get started and connected to and get let's get you connected to Google's tools and start tracking real results. Google Sitekit is an official WordPress plugin from Google that connects your site to services like analytics, search console, page speed, insights, AdSense, and more, all from your WordPress dashboard. It saves time, boosts your SEO, and gives you super helpful reports without leaving your website. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to wordpress.com. Once you are in, click Plugins section and search for Sitekit by Google. Click on it, then upgrade and activate it. And once it's installed, click Activate. Make sure your WordPress is updated to avoid any compatibility issues. Sitekit welcome screen. Start. After activating, you will see the Sitekit setup screen. Click Start Setup. It will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use the Google account that already has access to your analytics or search console, or create a new one if needed. Explain the setup steps. Allow permissions, verify site ownerships, auto verification with Sitekit, connect Search Console automatically. Sitekit will automatically verify your site with Google Search Console without needing to add any HTML code manually. Super easy. Sitekit dashboard. Once Search Console is connected, Sitekit will prompt you to connect more services like Google Analytics for traffic and visitors behavior, page speed insights to check website speed, AdSense to earn money from ads, Tag Manager for advanced tracking. Then click Connect Service, authorize access, select the right analytics property or create a new one. For analytics, choose your existing property or Sitekit can create one for you. Bringing the best of Google tools to WordPress. Sitekit includes powerful features that make using this Google product seamless and flexible. Easy to understand start stats directly on your WordPress dashboard. Official stats from multiple Google tools all in one dashboard. Quick setup for multiple Google tools without having to edit the source code of your site. Metrics for your entire site and for individual posts. Easy to manage, granular, uh, granular, granular permissions across WordPress and different Google products. Supported Google tools. Sidekeys. Sidekit shows key metrics and insights from different Google products. Search for Search Console. Understand how Google search discovers and displays your pages in Google search. Track how many people saw your site in search results and what query they use to search for your site. Analytics. Explore how users navigate your site and track goals you have set up for your users to complete. AdSense. Keep track of how much your site is earning you. Page speed insights. See how your pages perform compared to other real world sites. Improve performance with actionable tips from page speed insights. Tag manager. Use SiteKit to easily set up tag manager, no code editing required, then manage your tags in Tag Manager. Once everything connected, SiteKit creates a powerful dashboard inside WordPress. Total traffic from analytics, top research keyword, top search keywords from Search Console, site speed from Page Speed Insights, ad revenue from AdSense if connected. This gives you real-time snapshots of how your site's performing without needing to visit multiple Google tools separately. Here are a few quick tips. Always keep SiteKit updated for the latest features. Check your dashboard weekly to track progress. Use page speed insight suggestions to make your site faster. If you want to monetize, connect AdSense. It's easier than ever in 2025 through SiteKit. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more WordPress and SEO tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a full site kit troubleshooting video next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.